Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up your account in Mailerlite. Let's begin. Setting up Mailerlite is a straightforward process for creating and managing email campaigns. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the Mailerlite website, and of course from here click the sign up to create an account. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this section wherein you just have to provide the company or organization name, your full name, your email address. Of course, you need to create a strong password, a very unique password. And then you might wanna also sign up if you wanted to use your Google account or your Microsoft, whichever you prefer. And then if you choose to sign up with their Google account, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. And from here, just provide your new account name if you wanted. In my case, I'm going to be typing in Deep Laughs. And of course, you have to agree to the Mailerlite. All right. And then you will be forwarded to this specific page. You will be forwarded to this specific page if you want to try other Mailerlite applications such as MailerCheck, MailerSend, or the MailerLite Academy. All right, and then just go again to the next page, which is you just have to complete the profile. All right, you see right here. I want you to click this button right here so you get to complete the setup of your account here. Now, from here, all you have to do is provide your first and last name. Time zone is going to be around. You have to choose your local region. All right. For example, St. Vincent. And what tools are you interested in? For example, is it going to be campaigns? Is it forms? Just select the thing that interests you most and what is like the reason why you wanted to use Mailerlite to begin with. Of course, websites, automations, and transactional emails. Once you're done with that, you see you have created a free plan from Mailerlite, and you have like 30 days free trial wherein you can upgrade anytime you want it. Now the next thing is click the button right here. Then you would be forwarded here. All right, just agree to the terms and conditions. Once you finish setting up your profile, you should be able to receive a welcome email from Mailerlite. And then all you have to do is hover down below where you can click the I'll subscribe button if you wanted, and then go to the Browse Mailerlite Academy to begin your work here in the Mailerlite. Of course, if you click the I'll subscribe button, you will be forwarded to another page wherein all you have to do is put in your email here so you'll be subscribed to any Mailerlite notifications and updates. All right. And then now after completing your profile, the next thing that is very important is to confirm your account in order to start sending campaigns and publishing sites. All right. All you have to do is click this button right here that says complete. Now you may want to ask if you have any subscribers. If you do, just click on yes. If you don't, just click this option right here. All right. But the thing is, we have a separate video on how to create subscribers, so you might want to check that. But for now, I'm gonna click on yes. All right, and probably like you're gonna choose how many subscribers do you have, like less than 1,000, obviously, because they're just starting up here in Mailerlite. Now, how do you collect subscribers? So you need to describe in detail how would you like to collect subscribers and obtain their consent to receive your emails. So you just choose all the options that applies. For example, opt-in via online or offline forms, permission based via social media or webinars, e-commerce like subscribers purchase a product or service in the past, or this, or it's all up to you, right? Now, to the personal website, to ensure your business complies with the terms of service, they need to ask to verify your website or provide information about your business practices. All right. If you don't have a website, don't put it here. If you just click on the other, describe your business. It's all about YouTube how-to videos, content creation. Now, if you have a social media URL, you might want to put it here. For example, in our case, I'm going to click the GPLabs YouTube channel's URL. And if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you get notifications in our latest content here in GPLabs YouTube channel. Matter of fact, we have a lot of topics about Mailerlite that you might want to check. And then here, embed that and click on the next step. And then for me, have you used other marketing services before? If no, just click on no. No. Or just select the things that applies. Click on confirm. Let's see what we got from here. Again, remember, the bottom is at the 28 days left for your free trial. So once you see the form was submitted successfully, you will be notified via email within 24 hours once your confirmation has been requested. In the meantime, you still have access to campaign automation and website builders. Now, once you set up your account here in Mailerlite, on the left side panel of your dashboard are the tools where you can access the interface and be familiar with. All right. So, for example, the first is we're going to be creating a subscriber, because this is one of the most important part of Mailerlite, the subscriber section. We have a separate video on how to add subscribers, but basically all you have to do is click the add subscribers on the top right corner, the green button. It will ask you on how you want to add your new subscribers. If you want to import from a CSV or text file, you are welcome to do that. Copy paste from Excel, add a single subscriber, import from MailChimp, import using API. In our case, we're just going to be adding and add a single subscriber, so it's a lot easier. Put in the email. For example, it's going to be deep outlook.com and maybe DL69. If you want to choose from add to group, you can do that and click the add to subscribers. All right, so click that and we have already added the subscribers. If you go again to the subscribers, you would notice that we have 2 subscribers in our list. All right, then the next thing is go to the left side. If you want to create your first campaign, hover here, click the add or create a new campaign on the top right corner. We have a separate video on how to create a regular campaign, A/B split campaign, RSS campaign, and a lot more. So you have all these. I'm not going to dive deep into this because we have a separate video for that, but in the essence, all you have to do is enter all the information here and just follow the on-screen prompt. Then the next thing is going to be integrating with other tools. For you to be able to do that, go to the integrations panel. You can connect your Mailerlite with your website or CRM or e-commerce platforms such as WooCommerce, Shopify, BigCommerce, Squarespace, Figma, Adobe Express, Zapier, Canva. There's a lot. Facebook audiences, WordPress, MailerCheck, and Stripe. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.